Hello everyone, here is a little video about the progress we made in the game. If you are following my YouTube channel and not the Pirelli Studio, I'm making this video for a challenge we have, me and my girlfriend. We took 1 year off to make a game, and this is the first video after 1 week, 1 week and a half, I'm a bit late, to show the progress on the game. I will link below or somewhere on the screen, maybe on my face, yeah, the link to the previous video, and if you want more information. But for now, this is the progress we make. Oh, hello. We are currently in the end of the technology analysis phase. So we decided which technology we use, we decided which 3D software to use, etc. We may make a technical blog post in our blog to explain that, because I know some of you may be interested, but as a quick information, this is for the people who knows better. We are using Unity 3D and Blender, and mostly that's all for now. I'm coding in C# on Visual Studio 2013, and I'm having a lot of fun. Anyway, this is the game for now. So for now, as you can see, I'm on a blank terrain, and I didn't work on implementing any gameplay right now. I mostly worked in how do the terrain is generated when you start a new game. How do you put new roads? How do you put new buildings? How do they adapt, etc. all together to make a nice 3D environment. Oh, sorry. So yes, this is 3D. You may not look right now because there's nothing on the terrain, but let's add some. For instance, here's a lot of different 8 I can change the terrain with, and this won't be done by the player, but will be done by the map generator, of course. So for instance, here it's a small mountain, and I could scale it a little bit, just ta-da, and plop it down. After 1 second, we will have the mountain. Wonderful. All those mountains can merge together, and the computation of the height here will try to make a smooth curve between the two. It will work pretty nice. So let's have a fun and place a few of them. For now, I didn't draw a lot of different stamp, etc. So it will be a bit redundant, but it's okay. It's okay. Making those stamps is basically making a JPEG file. All of us mostly can do it, so it's very easy to change the game like that. The game is entirely data driven, for those who knows what it means. So it means that mod, etc. will be very easy to do. So this is the easy way, the easy mountain creation, but we also can go down in the ground. And if we go down in the ground a bit too much, we may encounter water. So let's do that. And hello, lake. We have a nice lake with a nice water. Sorry for the blinking craziness, the movement is a bit crazy. I didn't fix this bug yet. We have a line here. I just started the map in a crazy place, but if we do something here, it should be better. Yes, wonderful. The lake is nice and shiny. If I place a bit more here, it will work as well. We can extend this lake in any direction. We can also have different stamps to extend in different shape, etc. Which is, for instance, this stamp is just a small river stamp. We can make it small, just one tile, and place it here. And we can extend the river from it. So all of that will be automatically generated, of course, but as you can see, it's already pretty nice after 1 week and a half. So here maybe we will have a water going to the mountain. Why not? If I can do it. Well, you know what? It's a bit too small for me. I don't see it. So let's make it 2 tiles. If I can modify my game, nah, it doesn't seem to want. Okay. Perfect. My PC is a bit slow right now because this is a development build, so of course it's not optimized at all, but it's coming there. Okay, anyway, I won't be able to place this water. We don't care, let's forget about it, it's much nicer anyway around here. So what else can we do? We can place buildings, and we don't have a lot of buildings right now, and our buildings are more like placeholder to try to place them in the engine in the game itself, but as you can see, we have quite big buildings and quite small buildings, so we can also rotate them For instance, if I take this one, I don't like the way it is, so let's rotate it and place it here. We will try to make a nice city center here, and boom. For now we have a kind of toon shading, if you can see it, but this will probably go away. We are just trying to play around with different shaders, etc. for the game. We may not need that. We are going to have a lot of texture. As you see, this icon is the first model Burçin just made. She finished it today, yesterday, something like that. Still played a bit today with it, and I will show it to you in a minute. But first of all, let's have a nice city to place it. Okay. When we have a city, we need something else too. We need to have some roads, and as you can see, placing some road is just updating the texture on the terrain right now. I'm using one tile for the road for now, but this may change. We may make some smaller size road, but that's for the future. For now, I'm just trying some stuff. And of course, you can have different type of road, like this sand road or dirt road, etc. All those texture, etc. For now, are just a placeholder. Once again, we will have bridge and all those kind of stuff. It will be funny, but let's go to the meat. And the last one I want to show you is the first few model. Oh, that looks like a core. We already had that issue, so we have an issue in runtime. Wonderful. Don't worry, we will show you this model with a much better texture on a future blog post, probably, that Burçin will write in 1 or 2 days. But that's probably because I don't have the texture file in my prototype or something. But it's a nice co, nice red co, mushroom co. Anyway, that's about it. As you can see, we can also turn around and have a nice view. We are making progress, and this is still a bit slow, still a bit wonky, etc. But coming next, in the next prototype I'm working on, moving some units around. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and don't hesitate, really don't hesitate to comment, give us your opinion, your ideas, because it's with you that we will be able to make a great game. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.